So I got this fingerprint lock from Philips a couple weeks ago, and I needed something to match it for the back door. So I went with basically the same lock, just without the key function. I don't need the key. Let's see what we got in here. You got the drill guides. Always need those when you got new doors. Tells you how to drill it and where. But I love the way this thing looks. Just like my front door, it's very sleek. There's the inside. You're going to stick this side through this door, this plate on the back, put these two screws through the plate in the back of this. Pull out your wire. You got to put the wire through your hole. This thing of wires just plugs right into the back here. It only goes in one way, so as soon as you get it in the one way that it wants to go, and it just snaps right in. You're also going to want to push as much of that wire into the door itself. There's also a little groove on the back of the lock that you can put part of the wire in, but you want majority of it inside the hole inside the door. Then the whole lock's gonna go on this plate. You're just gonna push it against it, and then you got two tabs on each side you're gonna push down.
Setup successful. Restored to factory settings.
And now you can set up your fingerprint or your codes. You can put up to 20 combination codes or 50 fingerprints. For the fingerprint, you gotta touch it like 8 times in different ways. Just keep moving your finger around till it's all done, and then afterwards it's all set up.
Please move your finger slightly. Enrollment successful. To change the master PIN code, press 1. To set up a user PIN code, press 2. To delete user PIN code, press 3. To set up a fingerprint, press 4. To delete fingerprint, press 5. For language settings, press 6. Relock timing settings, please press 7. To enable away mode, press 8. To switch off auto relock, please press 1. Auto relock in 30 seconds. Please press 2. 60 seconds. Press 3. 120 seconds. Press 4. 180 seconds. Press 5. Exit master mode. Verification succeeded. Door unlocked.